Yo, what's up everybody? This is Mr. Rules. I'm back with another video. Today I have the Beats Solo 3 Wireless. I know this is an old product, but I have the special edition for you. Let's check this shit out. It's a Beats Solo 3 Neighbourhood Collection Asphalt Grey. 40 hours of battery life.
40? Oh, mom.
Let's see what's inside the box. You get one carabiner, charging cable, and a cable with music control buttons. Now for the moment of truth. Let's open this bad boy. Ooh, this thing looks gorgeous. Pairing the headphones is super easy now. Hold it near your iPhone, turn it on, and connect. That's it. Easy peasy. This thing comes with Apple's W1 chip, which allows you to have one great feature. It's called fast fuel. Charge these headphones for 5 minutes and you will be able to have 3 hours of music. 5 minutes, 3 hours. Good job, Apple. Good job. Now the sound quality. It definitely got the bass. You'll feel the punch for sure. I have used these headphones for 2 hours straight, didn't feel any pain in my ears. Cause these are really comfortable. So do I recommend this one? Well, yes. It has got all the features that I've been looking for. Especially the battery life. Let me know in the comment what you guys think about this one. Don't forget to like and subscribe. This is Mr. Rules. And I'll see you in the next one. Peace.